Hey, it's Jeremy Glowacki. I'm at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. I'm with Jaime at Elite ProAV. And we were here last year when we were at InfoComm in Orlando. We're seeing the same product, but it was in a very early stage. And now we're in full production. So tell us what has evolved and changed since last year and how things are going so far.
Yes, Jeremy, thank you for coming by. Last year we introduced the Presenter Pro, which is a folding frame quick assembly and collapsible system that's very portable with the DarkUST 3 ceiling light rejecting, ambient light rejecting from projection material for ultra short throw material, projectors, And during that year, we developed the bigger sizes. Last year we showed only a 126 inch. Now we're showcasing a 140 inch, and we can go up to 151 inch.
Right.
So that was the demand from the feedback from the visitors last year is, can we go bigger? Because most of these UST projectors can go that big.
Right. So obviously UST, really big category for the commercial market. Residential as well, but you're here for commercial. Where are you seeing applications for the really large screen sizes and the ultra short throw with the ambient light rejection on the commercial side?
On the commercial side, yeah, we start to see them in boardrooms, hotel rooms when they have seminars, a lot of demand for bigger sizes because they have bigger audiences. And obviously they don't want to create shadows when they have to use a standard throw projector.
Yeah.
So that makes interruptions and so forth. So that's where the demand is at. A lot of late, we've been getting requests from schools as well. Okay. For the classrooms, for training facilities and so forth.
Yeah, and you're obviously getting really tested here with the ambient light. This is brighter than you're going to have in any of those spaces.
Exactly.
But you don't have to turn off the lights, which is great, and you still get a good performance from that. So good traction so far with the product in terms of sales and all that.
Yes, absolutely. The first batch that came in a few months back, completely sold out. So now we're waiting for more stock to arrive, which should be coming very soon. So yes, customers love this solution, love the portability, love the ability that they can go up to as big as 150 inch. Yeah. Which helps a lot in their budgets and so forth.
Well, thank you so much for your time. Great talking to you.
You're very welcome, Jeremy. Thank you very much.
Take care.